What's up YouTube, it's your buddy MadFox13, and today we're going to be replacing the turn signal lights on the Ninja 300. So for this, just like how you had to do with the headlights and the corner headlights, you have to take the fairings off to get to this. So, you know, the actual turn signal will be right here. I've already taken mine off so I could, you know, I went and tried to see if I could just find LEDs that I could just buy out of the store, but well, I couldn't find none, so I had to purchase some from Amazon, you know, here's what just to get to your LED, to actually get to your turn signal lights and stuff, you know, they'll be like this. So all you have to do is just go to get to the actual light bulb, is turn to the left, then pull out. Now this light bulb right here, you know what, I'm going to put that right back in there, and I'm going to show you the reason why. You know, if I can get that snap back in. There we go. Okay, so when you're out riding and stuff, I mean, you go to turn. This is what the turn signal looks like. This is, I mean, it's not a whole lot bright. And usually, you know, sometimes I've had people and stuff that said they didn't look, they couldn't see and stuff, my turn signal and stuff, it wasn't bright enough to see, which, you know, I mean, I don't blame them stuff. I mean, it's just a little bulb. But we're gonna accidentally switched over to the other side. We're gonna take these bulbs out and replace them with LEDs. So what we're going to do is, what you have to do is, to take these out, push down, turn, you know, go push down onto them and turn to the right. Well, actually, and stuff, never mind stuff, you know, push down and turn left, not right. So that's what the stock ones look like. And now we are going to replace them with the LED ones now, which I like the design of how these LEDs look. So what we're going to do is we're going to push down. Well, you're going to find the little holes just to let's try the other bulb and stuff. These LEDs should fit. Okay, let's see if that worked. Okay, and that's how they look. Much more brighter. Kind of actually hurt my eyes a little bit. So evidently and stuff, you know, all you have to do is just place them in, which I'm still a little bit, my eyes are still a little bit from actually trying to get that thing in and stuff, and then having it actually start flashing. So let's see how it looks now and stuff in the actual. Yeah, that is much more brighter. Now, for some lights and stuff, I will definitely tell you this, like even for my turn signal brake light and stuff, whenever I got the bike, it already had the fender eliminator, and it had this light already onto it, that's a brake light. You know, you have to put a flasher relay onto it. So now you just do the same thing with the other side, and you know, at least now the lights will be brighter. And I will put down in the description how you can get these LED lights. But until next time, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, sayonara.